Hello, we are Team Natyasastra. Problem statement ID SIH25157. Identify the mudras in Bharatiya Natya forms. This is under the Smart Education theme. Our project titled Digital Heritage Mudra Recognition System for Bharatiya Natya. Together, our vision is to bridge the gap between ancient art forms and modern learning tools. Our solution is an AI powered Mudra recognition system that detects gestures in real time, answers questions by voice, and offers a multilingual digital Mudra library. With features like a digital guru, gamified learning, social hub, and personalized practice paths, it makes classical dance engaging and inclusive. It solves key problems by providing instant feedback, offline access, cultural preservation, and global reach. What makes it unique is the virtual guru in virtual reality, adaptive AI, storytelling with mythology, and universal access, a scalable framework that blends tradition with modern technology. Coming to the technical approach, we have used all the added technologies in the PPT. And the flow starts with the camera and the mic input, processed by AI for hand, body, and face recognition. A virtual guru and audio gives real time feedback. Users then access a digital Mudra repository, track progress on a dashboard, and stay motivated through streaks, badges, and community challenges. Finally, the system ensures universal access across device and languages. Our solution works on all devices, supports offline use, is affordable with open source tech, and inclusive with multilingual and sign language support. Challenges like complex mudras, low end devices, resistance, and privacy are managed through AI training, lightweight design, community partnerships, and strong security, making it practical, inclusive, and secure. Our solution boosts learning with real time feedback, ensures inclusivity with multilingual Indian Sign Language and offline access, while preserving culture with a digital Mudra archive, builds community through gamification, and delivers social, economic, environmental, and technological benefits, making it a holistic innovation.